Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss a very important topic, mainly how we can easily download the DEM data using Open Topography website, use of QGIS software. So you already know about that QGIS is a totally open source software. So we can easily use the QGIS and further we can easily download the DEM for any study area. So first of all, we need to install the two plugin. We can simply click on the plugin and click on the manage and install plugins, and you simply search here. First plugin is that Open Topography DEM downloader. So just simply install this plugin, Open Topography DEM downloader. So you can easily find out the SRTM 90-meter DEM, 30-meter DEM, LOS World 3D 30-meter DEM. So different types of data we can easily access. So just simply download this plugin, Open Topographic Downloader DEM download, and further you can easily download this DEM for any place very quickly using the QGIS software. So let's say I want to download the DEM for my study area. So I already import my study area. So after downloading these things, you can simply click on the, after installing, just click on the raster. So here you can see the Open Topography DEM. So just click on the Open Topography DEM downloader. So here you can see this is the DEM. So you can simply choose your own DEM, different types of DEM data, SRTM 90-meter, 30-meter. So different types of DEM data. I want to use SRTM DEM 30-meter, and then you can see the define the extent to download. So in this case, just simply select your full canvas, just use the current canvas extent, and then it's very important, it's a API. So you need to create a API. Okay, you can see that also provide this type of link. So simply visit this link and generate the API. Okay, simply visit and generate the API, and then this API just simply paste in here, and then just simply save the file in your directory where you want to save it. So I will save it in the download folder. So just simply put here, I put this name, suppose DEM. Okay, you can put any name. I put download it as in my download folder and then save it. After that, just click on the run. So then very few seconds, it will be downloaded this DEM. So now here you can see we can download it, this type of DEM. So it also download it and it also cover our study area. And this is our study area. So now further you can simply click with your study area and then you can also use it for the different types of processing. So I hope you can also learn how we can easily download the DEM. And if you want, you can also just try to add the different types of visualization from here. Just click on the symbology and go to the single band pseudo color. So you can easily add the different types of color plated to add this type of color. So you can see we can add the different types of color. So I want to add suppose this type of color, apply, and okay. So now you can easily get this type of DEM, okay, and then you can easily use it for your study area. Suppose this is my study area, just simply click or stack by marks and further you can also work with that. So this is the process to downloading the DEM for any study area. So you can follow this step, then very quickly we can easily download the DEM, different types of DEM we can easily download from here. Okay, so today is no more. Thank you for listening that. Stay happy, stay safe.